Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both phones and the watch. Update iOS and watchOS so pairing support matches. Once done, charge the watch above half and turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone you'll pair next. This speeds discovery. Make sure you're signed into iCloud and that automatic iPhone backups to iCloud are enabled because you'll restore a watch backup when moving between phones. Now, open the watch app on the target iPhone and get ready to pair. Once the watch app begins pairing, hold the watch near the iPhone and follow the on-screen animation. Pairing establishes the secure link. If you previously unpaired the watch from another iPhone, choose Restore from Backup to bring apps, settings, and health data back. This saves time and preserves history. If restoring fails, set up as new and manually reconfigure Apple Pay, passcodes, and permissions. Make sure you enable Health and iCloud Sync so data continues flowing between the watch and your Apple ID. To move the watch back to the original phone, unpair it in the watch app first. That automatically creates an encrypted iCloud backup. Once unpaired, open the watch app on the other iPhone and restore from that backup. This returns settings and data. If things go wrong, check the basics. Both devices on the same Apple ID, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active, and both OS versions compatible. Restart both devices, try again, and if necessary, sign out of.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.